Hey there folks, it's Adam Skinner here from Instant Weather Ontario. We've got some freezing rain, we've got some snow coming up, so we should probably go inside and take a look at what's happening.
First up is the freezing rain. It looks like we could see a decent amount, nothing super ice storm potential, but definitely some freezing rain. Deep southwestern Ontario, so Windsor, Chatham, Leamington, Sarnia, London, St. Thomas, Brantford, those areas have the potential to have quite an impact. It'll be a bit weaker to the north, and it tracks through on Wednesday morning for those wondering. Into Wednesday afternoon, it'll track towards eastern Ontario, and then Cornwall, Brockville, those areas south of Ottawa could also see quite a bit. So that is certainly a concern. Let's take a look at the snowfall map as well. And the big concern that we have is the commute. So for the Wednesday morning commute in deep southwestern Ontario into some of the more central regions, that could be an issue for sure. If we look to the north, areas in the yellowish orange are going to be hardest hit. So Owen Sound, Midland, Bracebridge, Huntsville, Haliburton, Bancroft, Parry Sound, up into Manitoulin Island. Those areas could see the strongest accumulation, as well Ottawa. Anywhere you see the number 5 could potentially be the worst. So 20 to 35 centimeters for those areas. So 8 to 14 inches. That could be quite impactful. Areas that are in the pink, or the number 4, is 15 to 25 centimeters, so 6 to 10 inches. And as we get to the darker purple, which is a number 3, that could potentially include Barrie, but Barrie might just get missed by the hardest hit areas. And obviously Godridge down here, Collingwood possibly as well, over to Smith Falls in eastern Ontario, and maybe the north end of Peterborough is going to see possibly 10 to 20 centimeters. So then it starts to taper off as we get further into the blues. That blue right there would be a number 2, and it is 5 to 10 centimeters, 2 to 4 inches. And then the lighter blue is going to be a trace amount to 5 centimeters. Sometimes this can trickle a little bit further south than our maps show, so it's possible deeper into southwestern Ontario, but freezing rain is the main issue down in those areas for sure. So that's it for our maps. I hope this makes sense. Hope you like these videos. If you do, please click the subscribe button or hit the little bell notification. We're trying to build up our YouTube channel because we haven't really paid it enough attention, so we'd really appreciate it if you head over to YouTube to Instant Weather Ontario and subscribe to our channel. Jennifer will be up next, and then I'll be doing videos. We're going to go back and forth, so let us know if you like this format, and we'll try our best to keep it rocking. Thank you very much, folks. Please be safe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.